Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best soldering stations that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Ever tried soldering tiny electronics and ended up with cold joints, burnt boards, or shaky connections? Cheap irons heat unevenly, lose temperature fast, and make precision work frustrating, especially for PCB repairs or hobby electronics. If you want clean, reliable soldering, you need better control. This is the Weller WLSK 3012, a 30W precision grip soldering iron station, a compact, entry-level professional tool built for accuracy and consistency. The Weller 30W station delivers stable, consistent heat output, which is crucial for delicate electronics work. It features a precision grip handle, designed for better control during long soldering sessions. With a 30-watt heating element, it's ideal for small components, circuit boards, and DIY repairs. The station design helps keep the iron secure and safe when not in use, reducing workplace accidents. Its compact footprint makes it perfect for home workbenches or portable setups. Pros: reliable heat stability for precision work, comfortable grip for detailed soldering, trusted Weller build quality. Good for beginners and hobbyists. Cons: 30W may be underpowered for heavy-duty soldering. Analog design lacks digital temperature control. Not ideal for large wiring jobs or industrial use. Perfect for electronics hobbyists, students, and DIY repair enthusiasts. If you work on PCBs, small gadgets, Arduino projects, or light electrical repairs, this is a solid choice. Not meant for heavy industrial soldering. At around $71, it sits in the affordable professional entry range. You're paying for reliability, precision, and brand trust, not raw power. Number 2. This is the Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD hot air rework soldering station, an all-in-one workstation for soldering, desoldering, and electronics repair. The Yihua 853D combines 3 tools in one unit: a soldering iron, a hot air rework gun, and a DC power supply. It includes 0-15V adjustable DC output, up to 2A, useful for testing and powering circuits. The built-in hot air rework system is ideal for removing SMD components, ICs, and repairing PCBs. It also features a 5V USB charging port, adding convenience for powering small devices. A voltage display meter, up to 35V DC monitoring, helps with real-time diagnostics. Compact workstation design makes it suitable for organized bench setups. Pros: 3-in-1 multifunction station, iron plus hot air plus power supply. Great for SMD and PCB repair work. Built-in safety and monitoring features. Excellent value for electronics technicians. Cons: not as premium as high-end professional brands. Hot air control can be less refined than expensive stations. Takes space compared to simple soldering irons. Ideal for electronics repair technicians, hobbyists, and students working on advanced projects. If you deal with SMD components, phone repair, or circuit debugging, this is a very practical all-in-one setup. At around $130, it offers strong value for a 3-in-1 workstation, replacing multiple tools with one compact unit, great for serious hobbyists or repair benches. Number 3. This is the Smith 239-193 Silversmith HandyTorch, a compact professional-grade torch designed for precision heating and metalwork. The Smith HandyTorch is built with a durable brass construction, giving it long-lasting performance and heat resistance. It delivers a fine, controlled flame, making it ideal for precision soldering, brazing, and light welding tasks. Its lightweight 1-pound design improves handling and reduces fatigue during detailed work. The torch is designed for smooth flame adjustment, allowing better control for delicate or high-heat applications. It's commonly used in jewelry work, HVAC repair, plumbing, and metal fabrication where precision matters. Pros: very precise flame control. Solid brass build quality. Lightweight and easy to handle. Trusted Smith equipment reliability. Cons: requires compatible fuel setup, not always beginner-friendly. Not a full kit out of the box. Higher learning curve for new users. Perfect for jewelers, HVAC technicians, metalworkers, and serious DIY users. If you need precision heating for soldering or brazing small metal parts, this torch is built for professional level control. At around $289, this is a professional grade investment tool. You're paying for precision, durability, and industrial reliability, not beginner convenience. For skilled users, it delivers strong long-term value and consistent performance. Number 4. This is the X-Tronic 3060 Pro 75W Soldering Iron Station Kit, a fully loaded soldering setup designed for precision electronics work and beginners to pros. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro delivers a powerful 75W heating system, giving fast heat up and stable temperature control for consistent soldering. It includes 3 temperature presets, along with degree C/degree F switching for flexible use. A key highlight is the sleep function, which helps extend tip life and improves safety when idle. The kit is extremely complete, featuring 5 extra tips, solder sucker, tweezers, solder roll, and helping hands, X4, for detailed PCB work. It also includes a mini magnifying lamp, making it easier to work on small components. Additional features like a brass sponge with flux, grounding wire, and tip cleaning tools make it a full workstation solution. Pros: very complete all-in-one kit. Strong 75W heating performance. Excellent for precision electronics work. Useful extras, lamp, helping hands, tools, included. Sleep mode improves safety and durability. Cons: bulky compared to simple soldering stations. More tools than casual users may need. Build quality is good, but not ultra-premium industrial grade. Perfect for beginners, electronics students, DIY hobbyists, and repair technicians. If you want a ready-to-use full soldering workstation with tools included, this is one of the best value setups. At around $80, this kit offers exceptional value for money. You're not just buying a soldering iron, you're getting a complete electronics workstation, making it one of the most cost-effective bundles in its class. Number 5. This is the Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station, a compact, temperature-controlled soldering solution built for precision electronics work. The Yihua 939D Plus offers adjustable temperature control with a digital LED display, giving you precise control over soldering heat. It supports degree C/degree F switching, making it easy to use for different standards and users. Despite its compact size, it delivers a 75W equivalent performance, allowing fast heat up and stable operation. It is ESD safe, which helps protect sensitive electronic components during PCB repair. The station features an aluminum front panel, designed to resist heat damage and improve durability. It also comes with extra solder tips, lead-free solder, and basic accessories, making it ready to use out of the box. Pros: accurate digital temperature control. Compact and space-saving design. ESD safe for sensitive electronics. Strong value for entry-level workstation. Good heat performance for its size. Cons: limited advanced features compared to premium stations. Not ideal for heavy industrial soldering. Basic accessory set only. Ideal for beginners, students, and DIY electronics hobbyists. If you need a simple, precise, and affordable soldering station for PCB work and small repairs, this is a great choice. At around $52, it offers excellent entry-level value. You get digital temperature control and ESD safety at a budget price, making it one of the best low-cost soldering stations. If you want to upgrade your soldering setup, check the link in the description for more details. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tool reviews.